Drug charges filed against former senior aide's roommate. Jamie Ward. The Guam Daily Post. Charges related to intent to deliver methamphetamine were filed against Julius Ikagigui Nedlick, 33, on Tuesday in Superior Court. Nedlick is the roommate of Troy Torres, former senior aide in the Calvo Tenorio administration. Torres was arrested but not charged, following a drug raid at a house in Latte Heights last week. According to the magistrate's complaint, marshals were trying to serve a bench warrant on Nedlick in connection with another case and traveled to an apartment complex in Harriman upon receiving a tip he might be there. When Nedlick emerged from a car in the parking lot of the complex and was approached by law enforcement, he allegedly fled on foot while discarding several bags in his possession in the process. Upon apprehension, he was found to be in possession of $2,077 in cash, approximately 2 grams of methamphetamine, 4 grams of suspected marijuana, a digital scale and a glass pipe, court documents state. Nedlick also allegedly claimed ownership of the drugs and money, but stated the car had been rented by another person, identified by a wallet left at the scene with both Nedlick and the other person's driver's license in it. Nedlick indicated he had been residing with that person at another location. A warrant for that residence in which Nedlick was residing was then executed and officers discovered in one bedroom another digital scale, a cut plastic straw with drug residue and plastic packaging also with residue. Another glass pipe, also with residue, was discovered in the living room. Nedlick was charged with felony possession of a Schedule II controlled substance, felony possession of a Schedule II controlled substance with intent to deliver, and possession of less than an ounce of marijuana. At a press conference Monday evening, Torres said his car had been repossessed a few days prior to the raid on his residence and he rented a car. He allowed Nedlick to borrow the car the day before the raid, he said. Torres also said his roommate never returned home and that he later learned Nedlick had been arrested for allegedly possessing 2 grams of methamphetamine and for the outstanding warrant. Torres, a former communications director and former senior policy advisor to the administration who also was working on Senator Dennis Rodriguez Jr.'s gubernatorial campaign until recently, was released from jail Saturday. He was given a notice to appear in court within 3 years.